Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update BlockBlast's app on Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in this case, before we proceed on this step on updating BlockBlasts here, we need to understand a few things. So if you're not aware yet, Google Play Store actually automates itself to all-played update the apps that you're frequently using. So if you're frequently using BlockBlasts here, most likely BlockBlasts is already up to date. But if you still want to check this one, or still try manually updating it, what you need to do is you need to look for Google Play Store, since that's where we actually installed the BlockBlasts app. So let's go put up Google Play Store here. You want to go to the search icon at the bottom of your screen and just type in BlockBlasts. Now from here, you want to select that and you should see BlockBlast here. Click on it. And from here, what you are looking for is going to be an update button. Now, if BlockBlast is not up to date, it should say Update here. So if you click on Update, it will update itself. Just wait for a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on your need to speed. But once the update is complete, you should be able to see the play button and start playing BlockBlasts in your phone. So that's basically how you can update BlockBlast's app on Android. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.